Before the next move begins, the market always leaves clues behind. Today, we'll analyze the structure, the momentum, and where price could be heading next. Okay, so it's the middle of the night and we're ready for some serious trading. Let's get into it. The peculiarity of trading here is at this hour is the lack of, impressive volatility. And here's a narrow range where the price is moving. But that's exactly what we need because the market is, relatively predictable. Indicators, by the way, are pretty useless here due to their lag. So I only use Stochastic Oscillator with the standard settings, of course. So we mark the moments when it exits the channel to understand where the price will start again. As you can see, it works almost flawlessly. Yes, this is the basis of our trading strategy. I identify a narrow price range and then I aim to enter at its boundaries. So let's outline them a little bit differently using the brokers tools. Connecting the lows gives us a pretty clear picture. You agree? Everything looks much more understandable now. So here, by the way, the stochastic is exiting, so an entry is quite likely. While there's time, I'll set the second boundary of our range. So to do this, I'll just connect the recent highs. Okay, so now everything is crystal clear and even visually appealing while the market is reversing. Making a buy trade possible. So no point in delaying, of course. Now a new minute is a great reason to enter a position. Again, the stochastic has dipped. It has dipped downward, and this is we call it oversold, meaning that it's time for a bounce, and our range gives the same signal. We are at the very bottom of this. So now we just wait and we watch the price. We wait for our money. Night trading has a special vibe to it. The whole city is asleep and you're sitting in a dark room staring at charts and gripping down your coffee. So though for many beginners forced to work during the day, this is the only way you can trade, the only time that you have. I know for you guys who specifically trade only during these hours, everything has its own pros and cons, of course, guys. So as I mentioned earlier, low volatility awaits you at night, so be prepared to trade a bit differently. The unique conditions dictate their own rules. Meanwhile, I've closed the first trade here. We're shooting charts and we'll continue soon. So, okay, let's enter the downside earlier. I already marked the levels here. They worked perfectly. For a long time, the price moved within this channel, having risen from a small basement level. The asset traded higher and leading on this zone, but ultimately made another short-term dip downward. So after a failed attempt to recover upward, the price reversed again, bringing us back to the same basement level, and there's a key nuance here. Our oscillator is at the top. It is called overbought. That's what we called this. So we have confirmed a sell signal, so we expect the price to decline over the next 10 seconds. Okay, I should note that the trading at this hour is often even more preferable if you plan to work with levels, of course, than trading during the day working with levels. Okay, so our first trade is done and I'm already preparing to open a new one here. So nothing is easier than trading high volatility markets where there's a clear trend, but true analytical skill comes from understanding the structure itself of price movements. That's where you get your true skill. So it's best to develop this understanding in a calm market. I'm still expecting further downside here, so we're patiently waiting for the price to touch the lower channel boundary, and from there we'll see what we can do. So we're working with the calm market today, a time when almost all trends have settled. That's why the price moves in a narrow range here. This is the perfect moment to study technical analysis. So right now we're not expecting any major news or a sudden influx of new participants. Essentially, this is a period when the last trades are being made by Americans, while Pacific traders are just starting to wake up. So it's a good time for us. As a result, the market is extremely quiet, and that only works in our favor, allowing us to spot clear formations like the ones you see on the screen here. So the situation is developing positively. I'm closing another trade and preparing to open the next one right here. So as long as we haven't touched the lower boundary of my mark level, we can confidently repeat the position. We're seeing predictable market behavior and we're working with it, guys. So back in a position, and now I want to explain why many traders don't recommend nighttime trading. It's all about their style. They either swing traders, swing for day traders, or they need, volatility. So it's a person thing. For them, it doesn't matter how predictable the market is. What matters is how far the price moves after entry Of course, under these conditions, there's little point in trading here. But for us, this matters in completely is a completely different thing for us. To secure our profits, we need to predict the direction of movement during the expiration. So these conditions become absolutely ideal. So we work with technical analysis, of course. We draw levels, we identify patterns, and we open successful trades one after another. So here's another one, by the way. Now it's time to switch currency pairs, friends, and let's see what we're going to get. So a good entry opportunity is here. This is where the stochastic proves useful. It's already in overbought zone here, even though the asset hasn't reached the upper boundary of the range, but we can see it here. Nevertheless, the price is already reversed and we are making money from it. So every situation, every currency pair, and even every trading hour has its own nuances that you need to learn. If you want to dive in at professional level right away, all you need to do is join my Telegram channel where I post free trading tips and signals. For any questions, all you need to do is DM me and I'll be happy to chat and discuss the market with you. So, and if learning feels too, difficult, ask me about the automated software which gives you 70% success rate. This is AI backed and it's amazing. It's going to do wonders for you. So it will help you get started, and all you need to do to get it is just to reach out. Okay, so meanwhile, I've already closed the trade and now I'm in a waiting position. We've exited the channel, and by logic of night trading, we should return soon. The price simply doesn't have much momentum for a trend, so buyers should average it back in for us. Yeah, so that's what's going to happen. If that happens, I'll enter the market perfectly at the lower part of this range here. So, and that's exactly what's happening, guys. Entering the market right now, a flawless signal, so I expect easy money within a minute. Even though I fail, I can always hedge. My current deposits easily allows me to do that. So returning to our topic, don't be ashamed of trading at night. It's not desperation, it's just a great opportunity for you to study a technical analysis in ideal conditions for it. Once you've achieved serious success in trading and you make it your main source of income, you'll be able to trade at any time of the day. So that's what's important. You have access to all trends, all liquidity moments for any strategy, but you also have the foundation you build during these quiet nighttime hours. So, okay, wow. Our first loss of today, which I intend to recover immediately. So let's go. I'm re-entering with double risk. Friends, since the signal remains the same, I just picked a bad entry moment for it. So let's see what we get here. We still have a clear reversal pattern, and now I've entered slightly lower to recover the loss. And yes, this time the price immediately started behaving as expected. So here's the first example where the risk is fully justified. First, I'm still in profit overall. Second, my analysis remains solid. Third, I chose the amount specifically to offset the previous unsuccessful trade. And yes, everything is working perfectly, my friends. As you've realized, nighttime trading just requires understanding a few specific rules and nuances to earn consistently. The trade has been closed in profits. Balance is now over $7,000. Let's switch chat and wrap up our trading session. I have prepared another clear entry point for you, and now let's break it down. So stochastic is oversold again while the asset has bounced. It has bounced up the lower boundary of our nighttime range. We're at the bottom of the range and we're aiming for top. This is exactly what I expect within the next minute. While the price prepares to break upwards, let's summarize. Night trading is not just possible, but in our case, it is actually advantageous. The market is calmer and therefore means more predictable and perfect conditions to practice, level trading and reversal strategies. So that's how it works. So if you can only trade at night, you have everything you need to succeed. Personally, I rarely trade during these hours, but I'm always confident I can profit. My current balance now is $8,500. Let's wrap up for today's session. That'll be all. My Telegram channel, night trading, daytime trading, anything you want, there's always ready to use signals and tips available for you, just for you. All you need to do is send a message and you can get them. So guys, that'll be all for today. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.